Hi, this is Chi Lee, your top real estate agent from San Diego County. I was recently hosting an open house in one of our newest listings in San Diego County, and I just wanted to make a quick video introducing this beautiful home in Carlsbad. The home is priced at $1.4 million and is located at the heart of Carlsbad. It is a gated community. Let's go in! We have a very inviting entrance, a great dining and living area with plenty of light, and a side patio. Today is not a very bright day, but we can see plenty of lights coming into the house from the cathedral windows. We have a room with a full bath on the first floor. A full bath for all your guests. A beautiful open kitchen with a family room. Also, as you can see, we have beautifully and tastefully staged the house. An open kitchen facing the patio. A large patio with plenty of options to even build an ADU. A look at the side patio. Let's go back inside the house. Once again, the open dining area. The highlight of the house for many, we have a 3-car garage with plenty of space for storage. Let's go upstairs. We have 3 bedrooms upstairs, a full laundry room with a sink, a full bath, and we see the 2 rooms are separated from the master room. The master bath is very spacious. We have a walk-in closet. The master bedroom is large and has a seating area. We can again see the height of the ceiling, which really adds to the space of the home. We have concluded the tour in our newest listing in Carlsbad. I hope you enjoyed the tour. If you have any questions about this house or any other house in San Diego County, please do not hesitate to contact me to the number below. Thank you.